Hi everyone, in this video we're going to answer the question, is a formal criticality analysis required to figure out what equipment you're going to do reliability-centered maintenance on? I'm Nancy Regan and I'm in the beautiful city of Santiago, Chile. When we started our tour, my tour guide recommended that I had a small chain on and some earrings, and he recommended that I take them off, and he also recommended that I wear my knapsack in front of me. And this got me thinking about risk and criticality. I often get the question, do you need a formal criticality analysis to decide what you're going to do reliability-centered maintenance on? And the answer is no. Now, could you? Yes, you absolutely could if that's what you feel you need to do. But one of the best ways to start reliability-centered maintenance is by just begin doing a couple of pilot projects and start with the equipment that is causing you the most pain. Equipment that has chronic downtime, equipment that is costing you the most money. So it's just an easy place to begin. You know, reliability-centered maintenance is an excellent way to figure out what maintenance you should be doing and how often you should be doing it so that you get the reliability that you need. But there's not enough time and resources to do RCM on everything. That's just unreasonable. So if you're thinking you want to start with RCM, I recommend you start small and just use your common sense and start on equipment that is causing you the most pain. I'm Nancy Regan from the beautiful city of Santiago, Chile. Thank you for watching.